In this video we are going to see HCF program. We need to find the HCF for the given two numbers. You may try for three numbers also. In this video I am going to explain only for two numbers. Okay, when you see for two numbers you will definitely get idea for the n number of highest common factor. Okay, let us take a few numbers. Let it be a equals to 8 and b equals to 12. For this the highest common factor is 4. How means first write the common factors of this, like 1, 2 and 4, 8, right? So factors of this is 1, 2, 4, 8, and factors for 12 is 1, 2, like 3, 4 and 6. Okay, 12. So among this the highest common factor is 4, right? I am checking a minimum number in this first. What is the minimum number? Obviously 8, which is in A, right? So how I am taking, like if A less than B question mark, I will copying the A value, otherwise it is like a B, right? So this is the help of the conditional operator. Okay, now I am taking one loop for int I equals to 1 till where it should run up to minimum, like I plus plus. Why I taking minimum is, why I am checking for minimum is, let us take 8 and 12. Definitely HCF not lies after the 8, right? Because it will lies in the lowest number or below the lowest number. Okay, so that's why I taken the min value. So here I am placing one condition: if the I when divisible with A leaves remainder 0 and same number same I when divided with the I leaves remainder 0 means, so here I am popping the HCF equals to I value. Okay, before of this we need to declare the HCF value. Let first initially the HCF will be the 1, right? So this is the our code. Let us same code copy into this. Okay, so just I will explain. You need to trace out, because you will get the clear idea how the code is working internally. Once try to trace out. Okay, first let us declare the same values, like int A equals to 8 and b equals to 12 and HCF equals to 1, right? Okay, what the minimum value? Minimum equals to when A less than B. It is an indication like we need to copy the A, like A is a minimum value, otherwise B is a minimum. Okay, now we need to start the loop from int I equals to 1 and I less than or equals to min. Okay, here I plus plus. Inside this, open the for and close the for, take the if condition. With the help of the if condition we need to check. Okay, then I percentile, like A percentile I equals to 0 and B percentile I equals to 0. It is an indication like, so this is the HCF. Okay, HCF equals to I. Okay, later at the after the all this for end, I am going to print the HCF value. When I run the program, what we need to get? We need to get the 4 as output. First let us check for it. Okay, we are getting 4. So now let us try to do for some another numbers. Let it be 9 and 12. When 9 and 12 will be, when 9 and 12 means, what will be the HCF? It is like a 3, right? So let us run the program and check for it. So it is working fine. Let it be 12 and 24. The HCF will be the 12, right? Okay, once verify it. So it is working fine. So this is all about the HCF program. I think you got the clear idea. When you are not getting the idea means, once trace